Hi Koala family! Today, I'll be showing you how to create a group where you can keep your activities inside. So creating a group makes it easier for you to access or for you to organize your activities in Koala Go. And I'll show you how. So first of all, we'd have to click on the menu at the top right corner of our classroom screen and then select My Activities. You should then be met with a list of all your Koala activities. Now, to create a group, simply click on New Group over here at the top right corner. Once I click it, I can now name my group, and as you can see, it already gives me a list of names I had of groups in the past that I created. So, I'll name this one Koala Go Group, and you can select a color which you would like your group title to be in. So I can choose any of these colors, but if I click here, I can choose as many colors as I want. So I'll go for the turquoise color. Let me click out of it, and now create group. Perfect. So my group appears over here, Koala Go Group, in the turquoise color. And if I click on it, there are no activities within my group. So if I go back to my activities, in order to add any of these activities to my Koala Go group, I just need to click on the three dots next to my activity and select Add to Group. So I'll add this one to Koala Go group. There we go, and it's been added. And I'll add this one also, Add to Group. And it's been added, and let me add one more, maybe class 1, add to group, and there we go, it's been added. And if I click on my group, it shows all the list of activities within my group. So this just makes it easier for you to organize your activities in the activity menu in Koala Go. And in order to delete your group, just click on the X over here at the top right corner, and this should allow you to delete your entire group. Please note that when you delete your group, your activities will not be deleted. Only the group gets deleted. So once you go back into all of the activities should still be there. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, just reach out to us on the help chat below. We'd be more than happy to assist you. Happy teaching!